This is the shoal right here, 10 feet. Shallow right in here, right where all this bait's breaking. Got him. Up around the shoal. Yeah. Striper. Ooh. Oh. He said, I'm not done. Folks at home, I'm not done. Don't try to. He said, don't try to land me too soon. Got him. Are you done? 23 incher. How long do you think we'll have it all to ourselves?
All day.
There's like 10 boats at the state park. We're gonna come.
This way? Yeah. All day. I come over here now. Let's just see boats. Flood, man. So ridiculous. Oh, it looks like a 27.8 inch.
Got a good one. Got a good one.
That's what I said. It looks like a 27.8 inch.
Got a good one. Hooked up on the 3.5 inch Shadowlicious. Mixy shad. Found a quiet area with some fish. Now we get them in the boat. Strike King. Sexy shad. There's another one. Good one. 23, 4. 24. Yep. 24 incher. Got another one. You know. Because he's probably graphing looking for fish and bait, and there's nothing. You know, it's like the Dead Sea visually on the graph. Like I haven't seen anything. You know, we're just watching the birds. Got him. See? You gotta know how to do it, dog. You have to know how to do it. Got him. Yeah. Smaller keeper, but it's a keeper. They scare him to you. Oh, it's a little bit better. I thought he wasn't the same. He's the same. There. That's how you do it. Just fish for him. Another one. Got him. Got him. .22 incher. Nice 22 incher. Yes, sir. Good one. Good one. Limit fish right here. Feels like the best one of the day. Come on, stay hooked up. It's a big one.
Ready?
Come in, sir. Come in, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Limit fish. Straight king. Shadowlicious. Found this little area all to ourselves. Oh, in there. It's a good one.
6?
That was a good one. I think you're right with the first, maybe 27. 27. Fat. Oh. Keeper. Got another one hooked up. Oh, come on, stay hooked up. Stay hooked up. Stay hooked up. No, striper. Striper. Another one. Shadowlicious. They're shrinking though. It's getting a little bit later. Still a 21-inch fish. 21-incher.
1/8 or 3/8?
5/16. So a little heavier than a quarter. Oh yeah! He's in the fight. Keeper.
Oh, it's on flash. Oh, yeah.
Keeper. Yep. He gets in. Just waiting. There we go. Right this way. Number 6. Number 6. My buddy done put another 23.5-incher. But it's deep. It's like, you know, it's deep on that edge. There's one little guy. 16, 17 feet we're sitting in. So because they're flying around a lot around that in front of that dock. That's where they've been diving occasionally the whole time. Now I'm just gonna stay here and catch my limit. There it is. Told you. Nah. Keeper. Keeper.
Oh yeah.
You got a keeper.
Medium heavy rod. Gotta play around with it a little bit.
It's fine.
Come on, hybrid.
They're all stripers.
20?
Another keeper. $21.5. Got him.
Oh, yeah?
Number 8. Number 8, keeper.
Keeper?
Yeah. 2 o'clock. 2:02. Done. Done, son.
It's gonna be less.
20.5. Got him. 20.5 inches.